Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin, commonly known as the nickel. This classic coin is an important part of Canada's circulating currency and is admired for its iconic beaver design, historical significance, and outstanding craftsmanship. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin is an official circulating coin of Canada and was widely used in everyday transactions. The coin has a face value of 5 cents, equal to 1/20th of a Canadian dollar. The Canadian 5-cent coin has been an essential denomination in Canada's decimal currency system for many decades. The reverse side of the coin features the famous beaver, one of Canada's best-known national symbols. The beaver design was created by Canadian artist G. E. Kruger Gray. The detailed engraving reflects the beaver's importance in Canada's history and its connection to the nation's early fur trade. The inscriptions Canada and 5 cents appear on the reverse together with the beaver design. The obverse features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The portrait on the 1971 coin was designed by Arnold Machin. The Queen is shown wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The year 1971 appears on the obverse, identifying the year of issue. The coin was produced by the Royal Canadian Mint. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin is composed of nickel. The coin weighs approximately 4.54 grams. It has a diameter of approximately 21.21 millimeters. The edge of the coin is smooth and plain. Millions of 1971 Canadian 5-cent coins were struck for circulation. Most circulated examples remain affordable for collectors. Collectors often search for coins with original mint luster and minimal wear. Brilliant uncirculated examples are generally more desirable among collectors. Professional grading services evaluate coins according to internationally accepted grading standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and interesting die varieties from the 1971 issue. Proper storage in protective holders or albums helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins because it may reduce the coin's numismatic value. The classic beaver design remains one of the most recognizable images on Canadian coins. Many collectors enjoy building complete year-by-year collections of Canadian nickels. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin represents Canada's wildlife, history, and outstanding minting tradition. It remains a favorite among both beginner and experienced coin collectors. Whether found in everyday change or preserved in a collection, this coin continues to be appreciated by numismatists around the world. Its combination of artistic design, practical use, and historical significance makes it a memorable collectible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin, please like this video. Here are 38 more paragraphs to continue your YouTube description. Writing. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin is a memorable piece of Canada's circulating coinage. Its compact size made it convenient for everyday use across the country. Many Canadians used this coin for small purchases. During the early 1970s, the beaver remains one of Canada's most recognized national symbols. The reverse design celebrates Canada's wildlife and natural heritage. Collectors admire the detailed engraving created by G. E. Kruger Gray. The solid nickel composition gives the coin a distinctive appearance and durability. The Royal Canadian Mint has earned an international reputation for producing high-quality coins. Many 1971 nickels remained in circulation for decades after they were issued. Collectors often search for examples with strong details and original mint luster. Uncirculated coins are generally more desirable than heavily worn examples. Professional grading helps determine the condition and authenticity of collectible coins. Higher grade examples may attract greater interest from collectors. Some collectors enjoy searching for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Mint errors are much less common than regular circulation coins. Proper storage helps protect the coin from scratches and environmental damage. Coin albums and protective holders are excellent choices for preservation. Handling coins only by their edges helps maintain their condition. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. Many collectors enjoy completing year-by-year collections of Canadian nickels. The 1971 issue is an important part of many Canadian coin collections. Canadian coins are admired around the world for their artistic designs. The 5-cent denomination has played an important role in Canada's economy. Studying coins is a great way to learn about history and national symbols. Every coin tells a story about the era in which it was produced. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II reflects an important period in Canadian history. The beaver continues to symbolize hard work, determination, and Canada's natural environment. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin is popular with both new and experienced collectors. Many coin enthusiasts enjoy comparing this issue with nickels from other years. Well-preserved examples are attractive additions to any collection. This coin is an affordable choice for collectors beginning a Canadian coin set. Its historical background makes it more than just everyday currency. The craftsmanship of the Royal Canadian Mint can be seen in its detailed design. The 1971 Canadian 5-cent coin remains an enduring symbol of Canada's numismatic heritage. Collectors around the world appreciate this classic Canadian nickel. Whether displayed in an album or stored in a protective holder, it remains a fascinating collectible. Thank you for joining us on this coin collecting journey.